I'll call on Wouter Schreuder. He's the Managing Director of ICA to tell us more about his company. Wouter, you can come on.
Thank you, Arnold. Good morning to everybody. Eugene, can I ask you to just put on my presentation, please? Thank you, Eugene. Sponsor, I would like to welcome everybody to this workshop or webinar of 2021. And I would like to thank CRI for the opportunity to act as the main sponsor at this event. And the reason why ICA sponsored this is because this workshop or webinar is because we are convinced that this is key to the success of the South African citrus industry, these kind of events, and especially in the international competitive market. ICA support the South African citrus industry in various ways. And surely the most important is the various post-harvest products that are available to the industry. All these products, their labels and directions for use, the material safety data sheet is available on our website. We're also very important to have fungicide test kits and instructional videos to serve the industry in the pack house specifically. Then we have this Citrus MRL app. And I would encourage you to actually offload this app. This is a new updated app, actually activated today. It's also available on our website. And we will later on this week, after this seminar, in the next few days, all participants in this seminar will receive a WhatsApp with a link for this app and also the Post-Harvest 2021 magazine that you can offload on your phones. Now, on the magazines, if you go to the landing page of this webinar, you go to the various sponsors, you click on ICA, and then you will reach our landing page. And on this landing page, there's some information, and one of that, there will be the front cover of the Citrus Post-Harvest magazine for 2021. Please browse to that. I just want to indicate some information in this magazine of importance. It focuses on the latest registered citrus post-harvest products available. There's also a summary of the local and export MRLs for all the post-harvest active ingredients, which I surely know everybody will be interested in and is of importance. All the ICA citrus post-harvest product range and the info on how to use them is available in the magazine. And then there's some research articles on the drenches, in the importance of filtration. There's an article on Phytophthora brown rot control and some rind disorders. And then there's a detailed information on the product's options for the use in the drenches, in the fungicide bars, the flooders, the wax treatments. There's a statement on the ICA's fungicide resistance screening service to the industry, for those of you, especially in the pack houses, who are interested in that. And then lastly, there's a residue technique for packing line surfaces, which lately is of major importance. Now, I would like to close, me personally, I would like to close down and wish everybody a fruitful workshop or webinar. My talk will be finished now, but there will just be a short video of ICA, and after that, I think the next speaker will get online. Thank you.
ICA International Chemicals is a proudly South African-based and owned agrochemical company that is situated in the university town of Stellenbosch, 30 kilometers from Cape Town, South Africa.
ICA Laboratories was founded in 1996 and based in Atlanta's Western Cape, along with the original formulation plant. The company started with only 2 products, DDAC-based product and guazatine. In 1999, ICA Development was formed, followed by ICA International Chemicals in 2001, all now based in Stellenbosch. ICA's main product and business focus is the fruit and vegetable post-harvest industry. However, lately, lots of product development and research were also done on pre-harvest crop protection fungicides. Disinfection and sanitization is also of major importance and always part of our product development and research focus in the crop and veterinary industry.
Only the highest quality products are acceptable, and therefore ICA products are manufactured and formulated in our plant in Stellenbosch, ensuring consistent registration of our crop remedies.
To register crop remedies in South Africa, we must adhere to the Act 36 of 1947 guidelines required by the Department of Agriculture, Land Reform and Rural Development. We prepare the product dossiers according to these guidelines and submit it to the registrar at Act 36 of 1947 for review. A dossier consists of application forms, relevant information on the technical material and formulated product, as well as the efficacy and residue trial data on the product. We need to conduct at least 3 efficacy trials in 3 different climatic zones, and for a novel product, the trial data needs to be collected over 2 seasons. For major crops, at least 5 residue trials in different climatic zones are required. And then lastly, a proposed label and SDS must also be submitted with the dossier.
This year, 2021, ICA will be in the agricultural business for 25 years, and we currently distribute to approximately 40 countries with several new registrations still pending.
With 48% of our turnover generated abroad, we are always monitoring the ever-changing requirements of our individual customers' markets.
Each country has their own registration requirements and application process. The basic registration package is often consistent, but the specific tests and documents required can vary greatly. ICA supports the registration process of products in different countries through our approved agents by providing the necessary documents and trial reports required.
The efficacy of a product, which is determined by field trials, is of course important. However, the human and environmental safety profile of a product are the determining factors in the decision to develop the product further. This includes the residue acceptance profile of the active ingredient on fruit marketed in South Africa as well as export markets.
In field trials, the efficacy of the product is compared to products already registered on the relevant crop against the target disease or pest. Only products with statistically the same or better control levels as that of the registered standard are considered for further development.
ICA is dedicated to remain at the forefront of new and unique developments to ensure that fruit entering the market is free of decay and of the highest quality, while complying with market standards. Our laboratory plays a key role in doing this.
The laboratory provides an in-house testing service and is designed to meet the quality assurance needs of the ICA group in order to verify that our products comply to international quality standards and meet sales, customer and legislative requirements. Samples of all our registered products distributed locally and internationally are physically and chemically analyzed to assure that they meet the specific product specifications set out by ICA as per Food and Agriculture Organization requirements before they are sent out and sold. We mainly use potentiometric titration techniques, gas chromatography, pH and density determinations, and a range of wet chemical analysis to analyze our products. With new products presented to the market regularly, new methods of analysis are also designed and evaluated when needed. Furthermore, the laboratory also provides test kits to customers to enable them to verify the correct concentrations of chemicals applied to their produce to ensure that the product is both safe and effective and still meets the MRL requirements of the country of sale and consumption.
At ICA, we pride ourselves with a long track record, an extensive international distribution, and the adaptability to expand into new markets. With a dedicated team of scientists, modern production, packaging and distribution facility, ICA is ideally placed to take on the changing landscape of 2021.